Sick of all the crazy shit, all the bullshit I get from other people. Yeah. They just want to call my staff for no reason. Smell you later, Mr. Vince, who's an idiot. Yeah. I can say what I want. It bought the house, yeah. He just needs to leave me alone, that lousy Joan. Not my father, that guy Vince, he rules the world. With his lousy, stinting, bitchy attitude, yeah. I can say what I want, that's right. No, I don't like him at all. He can just leave me alone. I'll talk to other people with a stupid, stinking attitude. With his sassy mouth. He swears more than I do even. Yeah, he's cool, but he's not. He's probably gonna get fired from his lousy job anyhow, the way he acts. So 1, 2, 1, 2, what you gonna do, huh? That's why I said you were probably gonna get fired the way you act. You lousy, stinking person. You ain't no good and you know it. I said you were gonna get fired the way you act, and you're probably gonna... My father says you just get frustrated, well, that's all. You're gonna get fired with your lousy, stinking attitude, Joe. You're gonna get fired. You're gonna get fired, yeah, that's right. You're gonna get fired, you lousy, stinking loser. The way you act, eventually you're gonna get fired anyhow. The way you act, you're gonna get fired. The new boss, Patsy, doesn't even like you. And you're probably gonna get fired with your lousy, stinking attitude. Yeah. How, it's the wall. You're gonna get fired, and you know it. And you know it. You're gonna get fired. You're gonna get fired with your lousy, stinking, stupid ass attitude. You loser. You're gonna get fired, and you know it. And you know it. You're probably gonna get fired. And you're gonna get fired, and you know it. And you're gonna get fired, and you know it. Yeah. You're gonna get fired. What do you lousy, stinking attitude? And you know it. And you're gonna get fired with your lousy, stinking attitude, Mr. Joe Blow. You're gonna get fired with your lousy, stinking attitude. Sooner or later, yeah. You're gonna get fired. Or at least you should get fired the way you act to everybody else. Yeah, you're gonna get fired. Yeah. One more time. You're gonna get fired with your wildest thinking. I told you. You're gonna get fired with your wildest thinking. I told you.